Entry number 52, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Biscas, Peñafrancia Avenue, Naga City. For Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel J. Belga, or Belga, Corps Commander, Cadet Major or Cadet Major Analisa Ercia, Corps XO, Cadet Major Jetro Sarte, Corps S3, Cadet Major Ray De Los Santos, Corps S2, Cadet Major Menard Sanuan, Corps S7, Cadet Major Lovely Sibulo, Corps S1, Major's Leader Mia Maika Soriano, Band Leader Jericho Badong, Company Commander Cadet Major Kate Villarosa, Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Michael Notario, First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Danilo Sumula, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Anna Macias, CAT Facilitation Permanent, Lieutenant Colonel Railani Lucas, Philippine Army, Man Advisor Coordinator, Mr. Salvador Berha, Major Trainer, Darlene Dean Marquez, Cultural Coordinator, Dr. Emily Berha, NSDP Coordinator, Mr. Francis Houston. Entry number 52, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Peñafrancia Avenue, Naga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 52, Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, Peñafrancia Avenue, Naga City. Next.